Hey friends! Welcome to KidDraws. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw this recycle truck. In Spanish, it's carro de reciclaje. So look what we're going to draw first. I make like this first. For a recycle truck. I finished the road. I also need to draw the truck now. I'm going to start to here. Right now I'm going to make some circles. And then I'm going to do another wheel here. And then here. Right now I need to draw. Now I'm drawing this of the recycle truck. I like this. The bumper right now. I like this. Over there. I like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. This. Curve here. Two wheel. Whoa, now add a circle. I will spell recycle. R E C. I spell waste, and I'm going to spell recycle. Key. Maybe we just make like this. Let's make this like the recycle truck. And this one's going to be blue. Right now, let's make a bird like this. Right now, I'm going to start right here. Like this. Now, I'm going to make like this. Then I'm going to start here and here. Then I go like this. Like this. Maybe it needs to be too close. Wait, so far. That was used. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.